In this video, we're gonna talk about the Codespy.ai. Every developer wants to write clean code that is error-free and fast. We spend hours and hours of testing, debugging, and refining it. And when everything finally runs smoothly, it feels great, right? And all that effort was worth it. But here's something that most developers don't realize. Not all of your code might actually be written by you. Today, AI tools like Copilot and ChatGPT are everywhere. Big autocomplete your code, fix small bugs, and can even build entire function in seconds. It's good, it's easy, and it saves a lot of time. But that convenience comes at a cost. AI doesn't fully understand your project. It doesn't know your data, your client, or your goals. And sometimes your code it generates can cause real problems later. You may get outdated logic that slows things down, messy syntax that's hard to explain, or small hidden bugs that go unnoticed during testing. The code looks fine until it suddenly fails when it matters most, and that's the scary part. You might not even know which part of your project was written by AI and which part was truly written by you. That's where Codespy comes in. It's a smart tool that scans your entire source code and it tells you exactly which lines were written by AI and which were written by humans. And this tool, this Codespy AI supports Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, and PHP. It helps developers and teams detect AI written code so they can fix risky parts before they become serious issues. With Codespy AI, you get full visibility and control over your code. You can make sure that your project stays safe, clean, and truly yours. So in this video, I'm gonna test Codespy AI using real examples. I'm gonna take in the codes generated by AI and some code written by humans to see how accurately it really is and whether it can truly spot a difference. Let's find out. Just open up your browser, head over to this website called Codespy.ai. Here you can see this data export. You consider it pinpoints exactly where the A written code in your code base, and you can see the demo on the right hand side that it detects the A code written by the ChatGPT or Copilot, any LLM it will detect. And if you scroll down, you consider more than 1 lakh users have using this product around the world, and it supports major programming languages like Python, Java, C++, C Sharp, and almost all major programming languages. And yeah, let's test this product now. So first, let's create the account on this post pipe. So just click on try it free. Here you have to give your name. If you don't have the account, you have to register the account first. So enter your name, email address, password, and choose the role. Select any role and how did you learn about this product? Take any one of those. And if you don't have this account, just register. I have already have the account, so I will log in. So let me log in a credentials here. So I will enter my credentials and sign in using my username and password. After you have logged in, the dashboard will look very similar to this. And you consider is the reports that they have previously generated. If you want to see the plans available, consider for the pre plans you have only 3 AI scans and you suppose all the languages, but you have only 3 scans. But for the consultant scan, it is cost around $28, but you have unlimited AI scans and it also supports major programming languages, but it supports the data export as well. And for the small distance, it costs around $70 and it comes with unlimited scan as well, but you have the data export option. Currently, I am using the free plan, or if you want to upgrade a consultant, you can go to the consultant option as well. So let me go to the dashboard now. You consider if you want to scan the new code, just click on new AI scan. So let me click on that here. You have to paste your code. Further, let me open up the ChatGPT now. Let me head over to the ChatGPT and let's ask some prompt here. Write a Java code to connect MySQL. Write a Java code to connect the MySQL database. Here you can see this is the Java code to connect the MySQL. Let me copy this code now and let me go to the Postgre and paste it here. Here you have to select the language. You can say by default it is like Java, but if you want to switch the language, you can switch as well. Java is available, Python is available, JavaScript also available. So set your programming language, and once you have selected that, you can analyze. So you can say it is analyze the code and give us the report generator, and click on this view option. You can say predicts that this code mostly written by AI. Click on the view option. You can say that this code appears to contain AI. Our analysis suggests that there is a 96% chance that this code is written by AI, and it pinpoints which line is written by AI. Consider the red means this code is highly written by AI. highly predictive. Orange means less likely predictive but still written by AI. Not only on Java, you can also test out the Python code as well. So write the Python code as well. So let me copy this Python code now and let me go to the dashboard now. So instead of this Java report, you consider here it will display all the previous reports that you have done. So let me change the first. Let me paste the report here and let me change this to Python and click on analyze. You consider now that the report has been generated. Let me click on this view button. You consider this code also 96% chance that it is written by AI, and you consider it will highlight all the codes that is highly predictive in the red color. The orange is less likely, but still it is generated by AI only. Now we have tested the code written by the AI. Let's test the code that is manually written by us. So let me click on new scan. Before that, you consider in the Visual Studio, I have typed the code manually here. So let me copy this Java code now. So let me click on new AI scan and paste the manually written code. So this is Java. So let me stick to Java and click on analyze. I consider report generated. Let me click on this view button. You can 4% that this code is a AI. That means this code does not appear to contain AI. So this means this code is written by human friendly. That is the manually typed to the content. Consider none of the lines were detected to be AI. So yeah, this is how you find the which part of your code is written by AI and which part of your code is actually written by humans. And if you want to export this report, just click on this download button. Consider usually want to export this table, click on export. So let me open the CSV file now. So it will visually export all your reports now. All the scans that you have done before, you consider I have previously done some scans that is listed out here, and it also gives us the probability rate here. So let me close this now. And if you want to change your profile, what you can use, you can go to the account now. Here affiliate program is available out there. You can refer your friends and again, and below that you have the profile option. If you want to change your name, you can also do that here. So yeah, this is how you detect the which part of your code is written the AI and which part is manually written. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.